Hello and welcome to Julabo. My name's Alex and today I will show you the basic settings of our MAGIO circulators. All display functions are easy to operate with a fingertip. Let's have a look at the MAGIO menu. Here you can choose the submenu settings. In the first section you can select your desired language. 14 different languages are available. For this example, we'll stay with English. Of course, date and time can also be adjusted, as well as the format. Furthermore, you can change the measurement units. For example, temperature from degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit, pressure from bar to PSI, or the flow rate from LPM to GPM. You can also customize the home screen to your specific needs. I will show you an example. It's possible to set up to 4 different preferred values. These will be shown in your second home screen afterwards. I hope this short tutorial was helpful for you. If you need more details or if you have any more questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and see you soon.